Hello and welcome. We are at 69 subscribers and this is my goal. We have 12 burgers
just for him.
and for her.
Come on, guys.
5 burgers. Now you may notice the timer over there. We have 5 minutes to eat these. She has 5 minutes to eat 5 burgers and I have 5 minutes to eat 12.
Also have class.
That's 25 seconds per burger. And now we will begin.
Oh my god. Go, go, go! 1 minute per burger for me. Definitely can't do it.
Oh no.
It was like a hot dog eating contest. They did the hot dog in water. It's so weird.
Kobayashi, I'm sorry.
No. We're not doing well.
Give me the glass. It's Japanese time.
Ah, no, that's my water. Ah, this is so bad. Okay, that's not helping.
Oh.
It's good though. 3 minutes on the clock. Dude, you finished just one, oh my god.
It's been 2 minutes. I've eaten 1 out of 12. We have... Ah! Number 2. This video is sponsored.
For her sister.
Thank you for the burgers. I just need to eat 10 burgers in the next 90 seconds. That's 9 seconds per burger. You just gotta go. You got. Alright.
Wait, do we have time or is well for those?
Ah! Today we found out that we cannot do it.
We just can't.
Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe.
Where? Yeah, do it.